is Boxing Day in Canada for some people. But I'm in America, so that means there's no sales today. Yesterday for Christmas Day, we did nothing. Darren played on the Xbox, and because I had the iPad, I was preoccupied with like editing a YouTube video and also just playing Farmville on the iPad. But yeah, today we are, what are we doing today? Today we are shipping a bunch of stuff to Guam for his family for Christmas, and then we're gonna go to the city being Philadelphia or Philly, and just do a day trip in the city, and that's about it. And then tomorrow we have a train ride in the Lehigh Valley train. Darren got his tickets for that, and then on the 28th, I believe, me and Darren are gonna be doing a little trip to New York, our last little mini trip before baby comes, and yeah. See you guys for the next few days. So we're on our way to the city. I don't even know what's there, to be honest.
It means like know your worth.
They were so afraid, and the angel said unto them, Fear not. For behold, I bring you tidings of great joy.
So it is 6:50. We just got back from the drive. We went to the King of Prussia Mall. We didn't spend too much time there because it was such a big mall and there were so many people, and I was just so overwhelmed at the size of the mall that we had stores we wanted to target. We hit up the stores and then we left. And yeah, got a bunch of gifts for Darren's family before we ship it out to Guam. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got that's not really Christmas gifts, more like souvenirs type of thing. So the first place we went to was Primark, and I got these little sets of socks. These are so cute. I have the Nickelodeon pairs. There's Hey Arnold, there's Arnold and Helga, and then there's Cat Dog at the back, and there's another show on here. Oh, Rocco's Modern Life. And then I got another set of Stitch socks. These are so cute. Darren knows I love Stitch, so I got these. And then I got a shirt. I got two shirts. I got this Hello Kitty one. There was a crew neck of this that Darren said I should get, but I didn't like the crew neck, so I just got the oversized shirts. And then I got this cute little Stitch shirts. And then I got Darren got the Sokka Hot Topic exclusive. The only people we're missing is Aang and Katara, but we have the rest of the gang. But this is so cute. I like this one. For souvenirs for my dad, I got a Philadelphia Eagles shirt. That store was really overwhelming. There was like UPenn, Penn U, Temple, the the Flyers, the 76ers, and then I was talking to Darren how like there's no Pittsburgh Penguins merch anywhere, but it's probably because we were in Philly. And then the last thing I got that's a souvenir is from my sister, and it's a UPenn or a Penn State hoodie. I wanted one, but they were all smalls, larges and extra larges, and there's nothing my size. And lastly, I got something for Sophia, and every time I go to the States I always get her something, and it is books. I got her the King of Greed Barnes & Noble's exclusive, and then I got her the Love redesigned Barnes & Noble's exclusive. She collects the indigo exclusive and the regular print, and so I thought I'd get her these ones. I also got her the King of Pride and King of Sin in Barnes & Noble's exclusive because I'm just like that. And that is what we got. And now we gotta wrap up the gifts and ship them out tomorrow. sit for the 1 hour and absorb our surroundings, except there was this one kid that was just like the entire time I was like, okay. Right, babe?
Yes. There was also that one guy that was right across us that was just like on his phone the whole time. It was really killing the vibe.
I don't think people expected it to be like that. Like, we expected the train to loop around the river, but then we stopped at some point and they're like, we're going back now. And we're like, oh, okay. Okay. Like, I expected a loop. And there's no snow, so I feel like if there was snow, it would have been nicer.
And also the scenery could have been, I guess it could have been a little bit better.
Yeah.
Because there were only like maybe 4 things to look at: the bridge, the river, the pipeline, and that small waterfall.
You know you're in small town Pennsylvania when